Okay, we have a Tormach CNC milling machine, model PCNC 1100, serial number 2995. Machine was new in 2014, and we're going to run her for you. Machine has a Mach 3 PC-based CNC control, ball screws with direct drive stepper motors, all axes. You have a 34 by 9.5 inch table with 18 inches of X travel, 19 of Y, 16.25 of Z. Okay. You have all axes are quiet. You have a Tormach quick change spindle with a air actuated power drawbar. Coolant system. Right now we're running at 1200 RPM. It goes up to 5100 RPM. You can barely hear it running.
That's
2000 RPM.
That's
3500 RPM. Machine has a large amount of quick switch holders and 2 Tormach VISES. That's 4500 RPM. There's your power drawbar. We're gonna open that door up and show them that inside. It's kind of neat. That's your power drawbar and spindle motor. All right, hey, I think you've seen it. Thank you.